It was a day we all deserve. We're starting with a viewer photo, not from Southern Illinois. This one comes from Washington, D.C., where we see the blooming cherry blossom. This comes from our very own Carrie Cicados here from Evening Edition. She took a trip over the weekend. I just want to show you, they finally bloomed, and people were finally able to get out and check those out as they had a late bloom because most of the country had a freeze over just all of spring that we've seen, and so they finally get to check out those. I have one more time to show a viewer photo here next week, so if you would like to see that here on Evening Edition, send it to our Facebook or Twitter at River Region News. Right now, I did step outside, and it's pretty nice out there. Sunny, clear conditions, 64 degrees. You see dew point at 40 degrees, humidity at 42%. Your winds coming out of the southeast at 6 miles an hour, and that barometric pressure sits at 2982. Almanac, we're sitting right at that 64. That was our high for today. Just a few digits shy of 71. Average low for this time is 47. We saw 34 last night. You can see that kind of equals today's record low. We will see much higher lows tonight. So here, regional temperatures at this hour. Belleville clocks in at 58 degrees. That's followed by Evansville, Indiana at 60. We see Cape Girardeau seeing 68, but Paducah, Kentucky tops the map at 71 degrees, but everyone's seeing sunshine around the country. So look at the Northwest. They still see some freezing conditions, 20 to 30 degrees, and it is April 17th. I know this is a complete shift from what we saw last year. We were definitely seeing 70s and 80s for the majority part of the country. As you can see, south in most of Texas, they're seeing those 80 and 90 degree temperatures in the middle of April, and that's what we want to see. We saw about 60 degrees today, and hopefully those temperatures are going to rise. We'll show you that coming up. So here's the surface map for today. We're just shy of a low pressure system, not much of a cold front moving in right now. That's sitting shy of us, but if we see tomorrow, it's going to advance into our region, but not bringing what we expect it to bring, which is storms and rain and all of that. And wind, we're just going to see heavy winds coming from the south. That's going to track right up our region, bringing in that Gulf Coast wind, and that's what's going to bring in just a little bit of moisture, adding some stronger winds, but it will be warmer as we go on. So low temperatures for tonight, we're going to see a lot better than we saw in the last few nights. 47 in Belleville, Illinois. That's followed by 49 in Marion. Cape Girardeau sees 54. Paducah still tops at 55, and Evansville, Indiana sees 46 degrees. So much better than the freezing conditions. We are going to see 50 here in Carbondale. Partly clear skies. You may see a passing cloud or two. Southeast winds at 7 miles an hour. The bus stop for the kids, plenty of sunshine. They're going to want some sunglasses, you know, to keep their eyes okay. Mostly sunny conditions out there. Winds are going to pick up at southwest, but as the day goes on, you are going to see those winds pick up. But 72, I promise you, is 72, maybe even 75 tomorrow. Mostly sunny conditions, so it may warm up a bit, but that's the story right there. Southwest winds at 21 miles an hour. Those are sustained winds. You could possibly see gusts up to 30. This is a complete shift. We don't like this one. We're going back near freezing. Check that out, 36 degrees. We're not happy about that. I think I had to scrape some frost off my windshield this morning. Not happy. Partly clear skies. That's why winds are going to shift out of the northwest. That's where we saw that colder air at 18 miles an hour. Boys, check out that. No rain. It's dry across that board. If we eliminate Thursday and those lows, I'm thinking it's the time that everyone should get out and enjoy the temperatures, the daytime temperatures at least. We're not going to even look at the overnight lows because that's just sucky. But you see the weekend, we see 60s, no rain. Enjoy the weekend.
No rain. But if I send you a viewer photo, will you actually use it this time?
That's if you take it and it's nice and I like it and it's weather related.
Of course it's weather related. I'll go show some of the dry conditions we're having. No rain. Nice
no rain.
skies.
I like it. Get out and enjoy the weekend, guys.
For sure.